Hey everybody, I'm Greg. Welcome to Goodbye Gluten, where
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
so me and my wife have traveled over to this town called Bend, Oregon. Really awesome places, really filled with a lot of gluten-free options and places to eat at. We're at the place called the Hilton Garden Inn.
As soon as you walk in, you notice it has a rustic feel with a touch of class. A grade A restaurant that's open all day long and into the night. They serve great gluten-free breakfasts with a hot meal and a hot and cold buffet, all produced by this lovely lady, Chef Violet.
Inn, and it's in the old mill district, which when I first moved here, the mill was actually working, but now it has been revitalized. There's all sorts of awesome restaurants. Even right across the way is the Deschutes Brewery that has a gluten-free beer. But one of the best things I love about it is look at that view. Now in those clouds, you got several mountains that people can climb, and you got pole pedal paddle. You got all sorts of activities all through the year. They got food and music all through the year. This is one of the best places to come. So in the next series of videos following this one, we're going to be showing you different restaurants to go and eat at that have gluten-free options and are very careful about your gluten-free foods. One of them was that we just ate was Red Robin's. So you have a Red Robin's probably in your town. Go check them out. Make sure you tell them that you're gluten-free, and they're awesome. So check out the rest of these videos, and we'll hope you have a good time.